Hello, how to solve x to the power of x to the power of 4 equals 64? Then we can say let x power 4 equals y. So this x to the power of 4, we are going to replace it with y. That means we have x to the power of y equals 64. Now, from here, I can have x to the power of y equals 64 here. We can express it as 8 to the power of 2, right? That is 8 times 8, 64. So I can apply natural log, have natural log of x power y, also have natural log of 8 power 2. Now, if you have natural log of a to the power of b, this equals b times natural log a. So we apply that here and here. So that means we will have y times natural log of x equals, this will be 2 times natural log of 8, right? So from here, we go back to this. It is y and x. This is 2 and 8. Let's ensure that the two variables are the same. So we have x power 4 equals y. Let's isolate x by multiplying this exponent by 1 over 4. I have x power 4 raised to the power of 1 over 4 equals y power 1 over 4. So if you multiply this exponent, this comes with this. I have x equals y power 1 over 4. I need to replace this x here with y power 1 over 4. So we'll have y times natural log of, instead of writing x, I have y power 1 over 4 equals 2 times natural log of 8. So from here, remember the identity again. Natural log of a power b equals b times natural log of a. So this 1 over 4 come over this. I have y times 1 over 4 of natural log of y equals 2 times natural log of 8. So let's multiply this. This will be y over 4 times natural log of y equals 2 times natural log of 8. Now we can decide to multiply the both side of this equation by 4 and multiply this by 4. So 4 will multiply this will be 4y divided by 4 times natural log of y equals 4 multiply this, we have 8 times natural log of 8. 4 cancel 4, I have y times natural log of y equals 8 times natural log of 8. There's y, there's y, there's 8, there's 8. So we can have y equals 8. But we are solving for x. So from this particular equation here, x equals y power 1 over 4. So we have x equals y power 1 over 4 and y is 8. So we have x equals 8 power 1 over 4. Now remember also, if you have a power 1 over n, this equals the n root of a. So x equals, this is the 4th root of 8. So we leave it this way. Even at this point, remember that 8 is 2 power 3. So this is 2 power 3 raised to the power of 1 over 4. And if you have a power x power y equals a power x times y, so this will simply give you 2 power 3 times 1, 3 over 4. This and this are the same, even this, they are all correct. So that is one way of solving this exponential problem. Let's solve it using another method. X power 4 equals 64. Then I can start by raising each part of this equation to the power of 4. I have x power 4 raised to the power of 4 equals 64 power 4. Now, this x power 4 will represent my n, and this will represent my m. You have a power n to the power of n equals a power n to the power of n. So the m comes inside, this goes outside. This is treated as a unit. So I will simply have x, the x here, this comes inside, which is power 4, raised to the power of x power 4, the m goes outside, equals 64 power 4. From here, we have x power 4 raised to the power of x power 4 equals 64 is a power 2 raised to the power of 4. Multiplying this out using the identity, a power x power y equals a power x times y. 2 times 4 is 8, so we have x power 4 raised to the power of x power 4 equals a power 8. Now, if you have a power a equals b power b, that means a equals b. So we simply have x power 4 equals 8. Let's solve for x by eliminating this 4. So I'm going to multiply the exponent by 1 over 4 of x power 4 raised to the power of 1 over 4 equals a power 1 over 4. Right? This multiplies out, this cancels this. So we simply have x equals 8 power 1 over 4, which is the same thing as saying the fourth root of 8, right? Or remember, 8 is 2 power 3. This is 2 power 3 raised to the power of 1 over 4. And this equals 2 power 3 over 4. So this actually corresponds to what we had earlier on, looking at it here. Now we can decide to check if this particular value of x will satisfy the equation. So let's do that. We have x equals, this is fourth root of 8, or 2 power, this is 3 over 4, or I think those are the two, or we have a power 1 over 4, right? These are the different answers we have, but they are all the same. So we have x power 4 equals 64. We can make use of this because this is the simplified form. So we simply have 2 power 3 over 4 raised to the power of x again, 2 power 3 over 4 raised to the power of 4, the 4 here, that's what I have here, equals 64. Remember, if you have a power x power y equals a power x times y, so 4 cancel this, we have 2 power 3 over 4 raised to the power of what we have left is just 2 power 3 equals 64. And from here, 2 power 3 is 8. Of 2 power 3 over 4 raised to the power of 8 equals 64. 8 times 3, that is 24. This is 2 power 24 divided by 4 equals 64. And 24 divided by 4 is 6, so we have 2 power 6 equals 64. And 2 power 6 is 64. That is 2 into 6 places. So we have 64 equals 64. That is correct, guys. It's obviously very correct. So that is it. Thank you and goodbye.